you're going to want to go to your Bluetooth menu, and you're going to want to delete the hearing aid. So you're going to forget the device. Then you're going to go to the app, and you're going to go to your devices tab. You're going to go to the hearing aids that are in there, your hearing aids, and you're going to forget the devices. Then you're going to hit pair device. You're going to turn off the rechargeable hearing aids by holding down the bottom button until they flash red, or you can put them in and out of the charger to restart them. I'm going to turn them back on by holding down the lower button. I'm going to lay the hearing aids right on the top of my phone. Hit let's get started. Hit continue. And the hearing aids are turning on, and then the app will find both of the hearing aids. You want to wait until both show up, right and left. Hit connect, and that will pair them. Then the app will sometimes prompt you, would you like to enable hearing aid controls for calls and settings? You hit that, pair and device settings. That will take you right back to the Bluetooth menu. You're going to then turn the hearing aids off again. You're going to turn them back on again. Pair a new device for Android, and you're going to wait until the hearing aid shows up. You'll only see one, the right or the left. You'll click that, you'll pair it, and now that will show up in your Bluetooth pairing. And now everything you stream will go through the hearing aids, and all of the app settings will also work. Just like here. That's it.